Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Sambu to be sent to Orissa on Sunday. Home Secretary asks for detailed report on Naxal presence in Goa. 135 people from Mapsa rounded up in a combing operation. A Prudent Media exclusive on the police operation which arrested Sambu. Hear it from the main cop. Vinu Bansal tells how the operation was carried out. NIA to file charge sheet in Madgaon Sankwal blast case by the 17th of May. Charge sheet in final stages. Bus owners give a 15-day deadline to government to raise bus fare. Threaten one-day token strike if demands are not met. And India should think of the World Cup qualification only after lifting their standard in Asia, feel former Indian football stars. And now the news in detail. Dreaded criminal of Orissa Shambhu Baik and his associate Rajendra will be deported back to Orissa via Mumbai. Goa police has acquired a 6-day transit remand for the accused. Home Secretary has asked for detailed report on the presence of Naxals in the state. 135 people are rounded up in Mapsa in a combing operation.
Dreaded criminal and leader of Maoist Trishul Manch Shambhu Baik along with his associate Rajendra Varwa will be deported to Orissa. Goa police will assist the accused till Mumbai. 6 days transit remand has been given to the accused. Transit remand has been given by Mapsa court. The most wanted criminal of Orissa, Shambhu Baik, entered the state on April 29th. After staying at Boma for some days, he shifted to Karaswada, Mapsa. He was arrested after a continuous vigil of 8 days. SP ANC Venu Bansal gave us more details.
We are tying up with Odisha police and we are trying to find out the security issues concerned, how they would be escorted. Once that is tied up, we will send him to Odisha.
Will Goa police go with them?
If required, yes. We are yet to decide on it.
जो तीसरा जो आदमी आनंद उसको भी रिमांड में लिया गया है तो इसके बारे में
We are interrogating. We are trying to find out certain things about this episode, and since he was also caught along with Shambhu, so he was taken into 6 days police custody.
तो ट्रांजिट ऑर्डर जरूरी पड़ता है.
Transit warrant हमें मिल चुका है. They have got 6 days police remand, which includes the transit period.
On the backdrop of this, 135 labourers are detained for questioning in Mapsa. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has completely ruled out any possibility of Naxal activities in Goa.
Naxalite threat तशी ती भायल्यान येवन this is a problem created on each area wise. It is not even of the full state. त्या areaंक problem आसात. There are various parts of the states in interior. महाराष्ट्रान थोडे कडेन आसा आनी काय. These are restricted to those areas.
सर हांगा खूब एंटी मायनिंग एजिटेशन्स जाता म्हणजे ते जे नॅक्सलाइट्स कॅन यूज दीज सेंटिमेंट्स टू हॅव देयर मुवमेंट.
I don't think so. नक्सलाइटाचेर खूब रिसर्च केला लोकांनी. Why Naxalite movement starts and all that.
So Goa cannot be in their map.
Personally, I don't think.
Meanwhile, DGP Bhimsen Bassi congratulated Vinu Bansal and his team for cracking down the dreaded Naxals in Goa.
Very well done.
Altogether, 15 police officials in this team, including ANC and Crime Branch, carried out this operation. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with reporter Lokik Shilkar and video journalist Ravindra Dalavi and Ganesh Utkar.
The deadly Naxalite Shambhu Baik was arrested by Goa police on Thursday under the guidance of Superintendent Anti-Narcotics Cell Vinu Bansal. After the strict surveillance for 4 days, these Naxalites were arrested by Vinu Bansal and his team. We had an exclusive chat with Vinu Bansal on how the thrilling operation was carried out.
पूरे एपिसोड का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
It was a very good experience, mainly for the team. It was a challenge to catch him when he knew that we were following him. He is a very shrewd operative, and he being a trained Naxalite, He knows methods of deception and hiding, and I think the team has come up very well in catching him on this occasion.
आपने ऐसे बहुत केसेस हैंडल किए होंगे, वो एक केस कहाँ पे रैंक करते हैं आपके पूरे करियर में?
It's a very good experience. I've handled things like that, but this one was a good experience as well as a good adventure also. We had to run after him in open field, in partially hilly terrain, इसको ढूंढने के लिए, इसको पकड़ने के लिए जब ये भाग रहा था, तो अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
समय बताइए पूरे शंभू बैग को पकड़ने के पूरे एपिसोड कैसा रहा, कैसे इन्फॉर्मेशन है पूरा?
28th एंड 29th अप्रैल को हमें उड़ीसा पुलिस से एक इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट आई थी दैट अ पर्सन, an Naxalite element named Shambhu Beg, who is wanted in several cases in Sundargarh district of Odisha, has been hiding in Goa for some time. उसके बाद जो टीम का गठन किया गया था, we carried out our investigation and we found out that ये accused अपनी position change करता जा रहा था. At Mapsa we found out that he was going to meet one of his linkages there. वहाँ पर हमने जाके उसको पहले जो उसका लिंक था उसको पकड़ा. उसके बाद वी सॉ कि एक ओपन फील्ड में ये हमारी तरफ बहुत दूर से आ रहा था, लेकिन जब इसने देखा कि पुलिस पार्टी इज़ वेटिंग फॉर हिम, he started running away, and he's a very good runner, so we had to chase him for quite a while in the field behind the Binani factory, and after that he went and hid in the forest area in that part. Then we had to conduct a combing operation, and there he was nabbed.
A reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
National Investigative Agency will file a charge sheet in Madgaon and Sankwal bomb blast case before the 17th of this month. Sources in the NIA have confirmed that they are in the process of completion of the charge sheet. If investigative agencies want the accused behind the bars, then the charge sheet needs to be filed by the 17th of May.
Goa Police Special Investigation Team had arrested 4 accused in Madgaon and Sankwal bomb case. Since the investigation pointed out towards interstate ramifications, the case was handed over to National Investigation Agency. Dhananjay Ashtekar was arrested on 10th November 2009. Vinayak Patil was arrested on 17th November 2009. Vinay Talekar was arrested on 17th November 2009. And Dilip Mangaonkar was arrested on 14th November 2009. JMFC Court at Vasco has already granted conditional bail to 2 accused, Vinayak Patil and Vinay Talekar, in Sankwal bomb case. They were granted bail as the NIA failed to file a charge sheet within stipulated time period of 180 days. The accused are still in the custody in Madgaon bomb blast case. All the 4 accused will complete their 180 days in judicial custody on 17th May. Sources in the NIA have confirmed that NIA is in progress of completing the charge sheet and they will file it before 17th in both the courts. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty for Prudent Media.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned for more news on the other side of this break.